If you're looking for a cheap, affordable non-stick wok, look no further. This IKEA teflon wok only costs you $9.90. And with this matching glass lid, only $13.90. The whole package is less than $24. But is it any good? Well, it does the job, but for only 4 months. This is how it looks like after 4 months of use. Lots of scratches. And it's leaking here. The wok is made of a very thin layer of aluminium. That's why it's not very durable. And because of that, it can heat up very quickly. But when you put the food in it, the temperature drops quickly, which is not very ideal for Asian-style cooking. But hey, that's what you get from $9. Now that it has reached its end-of-life circle, it's time for console pickup. The coating is also coming off the edge. Not very safe.